February 2026 is shaping up to be a strong month for Jordan Brand, especially for women-focused releases. After the Air Jordan 4 Valentine's Day opens the month and the Air Jordan 6 Low Blackout closes it out, another notable addition joins the lineup with the Air Jordan 10 Hydrangeas. This marks the first women's exclusive Air Jordan 10 since Maya Moore's edition released back in 2018. The Air Jordan 10 Hydrangeas arrives in a clean, spring-ready color palette featuring chalk, wild grape, and hydrangeas. The upper is built with smooth off-white leather, complemented by soft pastel purple accents across the collar, tongue, inner lining, and lacing system. The same hues carry over to the outsole, where Michael Jordan's career achievements are detailed along the iconic stripe design, alternating between chalk and hydrangeas. The Air Jordan 10 Hydrangeas is scheduled to release on Thursday, February 12, with a retail price of $205.